Hello friends, Kevin here, and I know I've missed a couple days of this month for opening Pokemon packs, but I've decided to make it up for you. I've picked up an entire box of Paldean Fates. There are a ton of shiny cards in this set, and it's an expensive box. The Elite Trainer box is my way of making it up to you guys, so instead of, apologizing and just opening up 2 packs, because that's what I've missed, it was 2 packs, I am going to open up this entire Elite Trainer box, which includes 9 packs and a special full art foil card. There we go. We got our booklet over here. Look at that. Mimikyu is excellent. These are just some of the shiny cards that are available in this set. So let's crack open this box and let me show you what's inside. Also, in the comments below, make sure to let me know what card you think is the best card that I pulled out of this set. Alright, let's crack this thing open. Alright, the camera is set. Now let's pop open this and take a look inside. So as you can see here, we have burn and poison coins. This is pretty cool. We have the card sleeves that have the Mimikyu on there. I absolutely love these. These things are fantastic. I'm definitely going to be using these. We have 9 card packs for Paldean Fates. All these are cool. Ooh, look at that shiny. It's going to be a good pack. That's going to be a good pack for sure. Alright, what else comes in here? We got our rare card right off the bat, Mimikyu. This is super adorable. And we have plenty of energy cards. If you guys hear Kat yelling in the background, she's live right now playing Fortnite. Plug right over here. Ba-boom. There you go. Dividers. Also shiny. Very, very nice. What else comes in this box? Code card. And damage counters. So let's crack these packs open. Starting with this one here. Alright, first pack. Paldean Wooper. Execute. Mankey. Flittle. Moonlit Hill. Donphan. Atticus. Charcadet. Whoa! Palafin right off the bat. And an Executor. Basic energy, and here's a code card for you. Put that code card in here. Hit right off the bat. Look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful card right there. 2 beautiful cards. We'll set those away in our rare pile. And let's open another pack. This one right here. Pop this pack open. There we go. Let's turn this around and see what we get. We have Pineco. Numel, Natu, Paldean Students, Dashbun. I love the artwork on this card. Nemona's Backpack, Primeape, Haunter. That's a cool card. Execute and Annihilate. Guys, basic energy and a code card for you. Annihilate is actually the one Pokemon that I've used to carry me through the newest game. Also, he kind of looks like me. There you go. Put this aside in the rare pile. Let's crack open another pack. Alright. That off. Let's take a look and see what we got. Ooh. Greavard. Pikachu. This is a cool looking Pikachu. Phanpy. Chinchu. Mousehold. Ooh. Love this card. Yono. Kilowattrel. Nestball. Mankey. Whoa! Toadscruel EX. A basic energy. And here's your code card. That is going to go in our shiny pile right away. Very nice. Alright, the Pikachu pack. I have a good feeling about this Pikachu pack. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Cottonee. Lapras, Mime Jr., Maschiff, Artisan, Lantern, Clive. Whoa! We pulled a shiny Lechonk! No way! I wanted this card so much. And what? Flittle? And we got a shiny Raichu back there. That is awesome. Here's a code card. But guys, the hit here is the shiny Lechonk. Look at that. We're going to sleeve these up as well. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Unbelievable pull rate, by the way, on this so far. I absolutely love every single card that has come out of here so far. All right, let's open up this pack. All right. Let's get this open. Turn this around. And we got Varoom, Charmander, Deden, Nimona, Clive, Kirlia, Technical Machine, Lapras, Mabostiff, and Goldingo. That is a cool card. Basic Energy, and here's a code card for you. Set those aside. All right, let's see what we get. There we go. Barboach, Lechonk, regular. I'm going to save that one. Put that one aside. Execute. Ghastly. Whimsicott. Scrafty. Electric Generator. Swoobat. Tandemouse. Whoa! Shiny Paldean students. Insane. Another hit. Look at this. That's an awesome card. We're going to sleeve that up right away. And boy, oh boy, that's another hit. So far, this thing has been absolute gold. This Elite Trainer box already paid for itself. There you go. Let's get you guys the code card. Code card right over here. There you go. Pop that in there. On to the next pack. See what There we go. Natu. Rare Candy. Cottony. Numel. Graplocked. Nimona's Backpack. Dash Bun. Whoa! Shiny Kilowattrel. Kirla. Xatu. Basic Energy. And here you go. Code card. That is another hit. This is insane. This is an insane box set right here. I am so happy with all the pulls we have. We have 2 more packs left. 2 more packs. Let's see what's inside of these packs. Another Pikachu pack. Let's see what's inside. There we go. Let's rip open this pack. And we got Routes. Woobat. Toedscool. Phanpy. Swoobat. Gengar. Charmeleon. Chinchu. Magmortar. That's a cool looking card right there. I've yet to see this card. That's awesome. Oh, no. No way. What code card for you right here? No way. What? Insane. Charizard EX. This has been incredible. Incredible, incredible, incredible. What? Oh, man. Oh, man, I've been excited. One last pack. I'm already happy. This thing is already a goated box. Paldean Fates. Maybe I'll pick up another one. All right, last pack. Let's see what we get. All right, Pineco. Maractus. Paldean Student. Lapras. Nestball. Charmeleon. Ultra Ball. Houndstone. Magmar. I think I see something shiny. I think I see something shiny. Revaroom. That was a tease. Basic Energy. And here you go. One final code card. We're going to sleeve that up regardless. Unbelievable pulls. What a fantastic box of cards. Thank you so much. Let's take a look at these cards before we sleeve them up. Let me show you what we got here. Revaroom. Charizard. Tandemouse. Swoobat. Xatu. Kilowattrel. Paldean Student. Goldingo. Mass Bostiff. Lapras. Shiny Lechonk. This is the card that I've wanted. We got Flittle, Raichu, Toadstool, Annihilate, a Palafin, and an Executor. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you stayed till the end of that video, thank you so much. Let me know what you think was the best card that I pulled, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.